Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change your new under iOS 26 feature, liquid glass feature effects. You can easily change your liquid glass effects. If you want to change, reduce or enhance effect brightness, then here are the process. Go to settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to display and brightness settings. Tap on it. Here you will find light or dark mode and liquid glass feature. Tap on it and here you will find two features, clear and tinted. So if you want to change tinted, then tap on tinted feature, otherwise choose clear. From here you can choose your preferred look for liquid glass. Clear is more transparent, revealing the content beneath. Tinted increases capacity and adds more contrast. So you can easily change your transparency and clearness of your liquid glass feature under new iOS 26 in your iPhone. That's all.